Hey boys and girls, and welcome to writing. Today in writing, you are going to be finishing anything that you did not complete this week. Anything that you want to write in your journal, if you have finished everything, you've turned everything in for writing this week, you get to free write today. So, in the front of your notebook, we did a heart map about times that we've been happy, times that we've been sad, times we've been mad. So I want you to choose one of those feelings that you have, one of those memories, and I want you to write me a story using the 5 W's today. You can use any of those stories that you want to. So you can be creative as best as you can, and if you have finished everything, then today's the day you get to free write. So once you are done, you can post it in your must do, and I will see you back on Zoom in a little while.